Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Well, our video on today, as you saw, I received some items that I purchased, which were mystery boxes from my favorite box. Yes, okay. And what else would I do but share it with you? So we're going to jump right in. These boxes, one was $15, the other one was $20. So let's just check it out and see what came in them. Believe it or not, let me show you. This is one box. I can't show you the other way because it has my address label on it. And here is the other one. This is the box that was $20, not the big one. This one right here. So let's open this one first and see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is very interesting. Okay. Now, I've never received a Curlbox that looked like this, but then again, you know why, okay? Because this is not the way that they come. Now, this mystery box was made up of products that we really like, okay? So, you know how you have some extra items and things like that. So they pass the savings on to us. They are not leaving anything behind. Now, this right here, the first item I have, one and only. Now, I can give you a link for each of them. However, I think I might just put together a playlist for all things Curlbox. So if you'd like to see where each of the items came from, if they were included in a box that I received previously, then you'll be able to see it. Okay, so this is the one and only powder hair color kit. All you have to do is add water. Now, I'm going to tell you, I used this product before. The only difference was I didn't use this shade. I used the black one, okay? I still have the other one, which I was just talking about maybe I might need to do, but I don't think I'm ready for my hair to be brown right now, considering going back to green, but we'll see what happens. But this is the first item that came in the box. Then, oh, if you remember the TRACI line, okay, this is the moisturizing conditioning mask. It says hydrate, revive, and fortify for curls and coils. This is a part of the TRACI line. Okay, this came, now these are not old products. This is from this year, okay? Just a couple months ago, as a matter of fact. So this is another of the items that I have. Then, oh, yes. This one is by Tropic Isles Living, and this is the Wild Charcoals. Innovation with Traction. And it's the Wild Charcoal Small Batch Fire Roasted, and it says this is plant-based for external use only, and it helps to promote hair growth. It says promotes hair and skin health, and is said to help aid healing and minimize scars applied to skin and scalp. Then moving right along, oh, this one is a part of the Royal Oils collection. This was quite a while ago, and this right here, healthy hair starts from a healthy scalp. And this is the hair refreshening mist with aloe, water, and hemp oil. Provides light conditioning and 48 hours of freshness for protective styles, braids, and locks. And this is a 4.2 fluid ounce size. Okay, then let's see what else we have. Miracle Edges, and this is by KALEIDOSCOPE, and it says bring those stubborn edges back. I didn't get the KALEIDOSCOPE because that was in a non-subscription box. Okay, it says just what you need to bring back those stubborn edges. KALEIDOSCOPE Miracle Edges. You know, for those of us who wore wigs, and before we begin using like Wig Fix, where you put it down and it keeps your wig from shifting or shaking regardless of how much you shake your hair, we experienced some breakage around our edges. Well, this is designed to help bring them back, okay? And then the last item in this box is by Cream of Nature, and this is a part of the Pure Honey line, and this is the Intense Hydration Treatment Hair Mask for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. I'm sorry, the office door is open. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, and yogurt, okay? And it has no sulfates, mineral oils, silicones, or drying alcohol, and it is a 3.8 fluid ounce size, okay? So those were the items in the first mystery box. This was not bad at all. So in this one, we received 6 items, okay? Now let's check out the second box. Now in the second box, oh, look at here, look at here. You know what? Inside my last box, there was a card, and there is the same card in this box. So I'll just let you know in the end what those were. So the first item that I have is Pattern Stronghold Gel Slick and Snatched. This is a pretty big jar, and this is a 15 ounce size, and it says great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a slick look, okay? Never damaging or drying, our flexible Stronghold Gel provides a long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and chia seeds to nourish and fortify coils. Our gel texture has built-in slip to easily distribute throughout the hair, ideal for a slick look of your choosing and styles that need extra hold. Okay. Embrace your gorgeous and rock your patterns. Okay. So this is the first item. This one has a 12-month shelf life, okay? Then the next item in this box is by, and I know this is Dr. Miracle's, I already knew this packaging, okay? And this one is the Strong and Healthy Length Retention Leave-In Cream. It is a 12 ounce size, and this is designed to cleanse and treat, hydrate and soften for 5 times more nourishment to strands, moisturizes and seals strands for frizz control, breakage protection, and length retention, okay? And this one has a 12-month shelf life, okay? Then I have some more, items in here. This is by Unicorn, And this is by Unicorn, all right? And this is the shampoo with shea butter, coconut oil, and raw honey. And this one cleanses and hydrates, and it is an 8 fluid ounce size, okay? This one says, they're here to inspire you on the natural hair care journey. Okay. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well from the time we open it. It has coconut oil, shea butter, and raw honey. All right. And then to go along with that is the deep conditioner. So in addition to the shampoo, you do also have a deep conditioner. Okay. And this one is also a 12-ounce size with a 12-month shelf life as well. All the same ingredients with an additional one, which is avocado. Okay. Then, oh, still some more. Oh, they threw a little sample size in here. And this is the Twisted Sister Amazing Dream Curl Gel. Okay. And this one is a 0.75 fluid ounce size. This is the strengthening gel. I'll take that sample. I have very rarely gotten sample items from Curlbox, so I'll take that. And the last item is from Evolve, and this is the satin pillowcase. See, I'm here for it. This was a good mystery box. I'm glad I purchased it. And like I said, I don't know why this one was less, but the products are just as good. But I'm glad to have received them both. So I received 5 and a sample in this one, okay, and 6 in the other one. And the cards that I was telling you about said your mystery has been revealed, and it says surprise, a curl box. This box is loaded with some curl friend fan favorites. All right.